Hello. Today we'll see how to use HitPaw Video Converter to convert Apple Music to MP3. HitPaw Video Converter is primarily a video conversion tool that you can download from the link below. After installing, launch the program. Here, you can click this open icon and upload a video file to convert into your preferred format. Apart from this, you can go to this toolbox section. Notice all the other tools integrated into this video converter tool to help you perform several other tasks, such as removing vocals from an audio file, compressing photos and videos, etc. You can also use these tabs to get more filtered options according to your requirements. However, for now, we're interested in converting and downloading Apple Music to MP3, so we'll click this Apple Music Converter tile. Here, our first step is to sign into our account, so let's click this Sign In button. Let's scroll down this window a bit, so we can see the entire interface. Now, you can enter your Apple ID in this field and click Continue. Enter your password and click this Go button to proceed. Complete the two-factor authentication to verify your identity. And click Trust, so you don't have to enter your credentials each time you use HitPaw for conversion. Let's expand this window so we can see everything clearly. Notice that this window is already populated with your country-based content. You can scroll the screen to see all the playlists Apple Music recommends. Alternatively, you can use this search box to find your favorite song you want to convert to MP3. In search results, you can see the description to differentiate between songs and playlists. Let's click this song. Notice that clicking the song redirects you to a new window, which is the album. Here, in the address bar, you can see the URL of the song, and the song is highlighted in red in this list. Let's click Download and wait while HitPaw adds the music to the download queue. Once added, go to the Converting tab. Here, notice that even though you selected one song, HitPaw added the entire playlist to this queue and marked them checked. This means that all these songs are ready for conversion. However, for now, we are interested in only our favorite song, so I will uncheck this Select All box to deselect everything. Now, we are free to choose the songs we want. Let's check these boxes. Next, choose an output format from this menu. MP3 is fine. Define sound quality from this menu. Let's stick to 320 kilobits per second. And from this Save To option, we can choose an output folder. It's good to leave it to default for our demonstration. Finally click Convert All. Wait while HitPaw converts Apple Music to MP3 and saves it to your computer. As the process completes, notice that HitPaw automatically opens the output folder. You can access the converted and downloaded files from here. I hope this video was informative. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you.